Morning, good morning. Today is Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to me. My husband is preparing. He prepared this breakfast for me for Mother's Day. Thank you, my mahal kong kalbo. Iinumin ko to ngayon. Nilagyan na ng wine, no? May orange pa ako. Ha? Is the kava daw. So, mahubog ko karon daan sa Mother's Day. Dali na ba ako magkuhan malipong? Kaya di man ko paragubog. So, thank you so much, darling Jen. It's the Mother's Day to all mothers in the world. Sa mga mothers dyan sa mga tatay dyan na naging mother. Happy Mother's Day. Sana mawala na itong problema ngayon para mag-enjoy tayong lahat. Bye-bye!